It's hot up in this. It is hot, 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 hot. Oh my god, it's been so long I don't even know how to start. Okay. Just start talking about Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie if you don't know me. Today's video we're gonna be doing an empties video. Now before we get started, I know it has been a very long time since I sat in front of the camera and actually filmed a video. I've just been busy and trying to take care of myself. If you guys can tell, my voice is still a little raspy from being sick. I was sick for maybe a little bit over a week. I still feel a little bit on my throat. So if you guys can hear that in my voice, that is why. And also I probably won't be doing this video too long just because when I do talk too much, I start to cough a lot. Even now I'm already coughing as it is. But we're gonna go ahead and get started here. I'll have a lot of empties to talk about. It's probably gonna be a two-part video just because I have too much stuff in my bag here. This is the bag that I keep underneath my vanity, and whenever I am finished with something, I just go ahead and throw it in there. Sometimes there's other empties in here, like my hair products and stuff like that, but I haven't really gone through too much hair products. There's like a few here, but not too much. Mostly skincare. And then I also threw in here some stuff that is like makeup related that actually isn't like finished, but it's more like expired and stuff like that, but I still wanted to talk about it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the video. I hope that you guys are doing well, and I am glad to be back making some YouTube videos. I will say that I love YouTube. I do like making videos for you guys, but also I feel like I want to make videos when I feel like making them, because I don't want to just give you guys something and then I don't feel happy about the video, or I'm just making a video just to make it. I don't want to do that kind of stuff. So if I don't have one video up every week, that is the reasoning why. I actually want to do something that I like to talk about, not just create stuff just to create, you know. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get started here and go right into the bag. So I'm just gonna pull out stuff from here. I did not separate between skincare and hair care and makeup. So just so you know, I'm just going to start pulling stuff out. The first thing that I want to talk about is the Pharmacy Clean Green Makeup Melt Away. This is the second one of these that I go through. I actually really love this stuff. It's actually my favorite one. I do have a different one right now. I'm going through the Glow Recipe, but I really do love this Pharmacy one. Once I am finished with the Glow Recipe one, I'm probably most likely going to go back to this one just because I feel like it really slings out my skin, and I do double cleanse, sometimes even triple cleanse. I haven't really done a lot of triple cleansing lately just because I haven't been wearing a lot of makeup. Just like today I did, just because I knew I was filming. So I did do a little bit more than I have been doing. Been focusing more on my face than really on my eyes. Just I'll keep it there. Just I don't want to like overwhelm you guys with other stuff. I just feel like I haven't really talked to you guys that much, so there's a lot that I have been doing that obviously you guys don't know about. But anyways, let's get back to this. The Pharmacy, definitely a great cleanser. I really love this. Like I said, I probably will go back and repurchase again. So there's that one. Alright, so next up we have the Facial Radiance pads. These are from First Aid Beauty, and I do like these pads. I have purchased them in the past. I actually got 3 or 4 of these at a time, so this is the last one that I have in my collection right now. I do like them, and also my cousin had told me like if you concentrated on your nose, because I have blackheads on my nose, if you concentrated on your nose when you're using it, then it helps with that. And I have definitely can say that it does help with the blackheads. It doesn't make them completely go away. You know, I have to go in with something like a suction thing that I have, a suction tool that helps with the blackheads, but this definitely does help take that gunk out of my nose, so I do like that. Also as a cleansing wipe type of thing, it does help make your, you know, exfoliate your face. So I do like these. I would repurchase them, but I don't think it's something that you necessarily need to have. So that's that. Next up we have the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream, which looks like this. And you guys see I did cut it up because I wanted to take everything out from here. I really like this CC cream. Definitely full coverage. It's like a full coverage foundation. This thing is awesome. I love the way that it works out with my skin. I can definitely use it in the winter time. I haven't used it now that the weather is warmer, so I'll have to repurchase to see how it works in the summertime. But this is the second tube that I go through. You guys can see I definitely went through the whole thing. I even cut it up so I'm not wasting anything or leaving anything in there. But yes, I really do love this e.l.f. CC cream. Would definitely recommend it. I would even say that I have very dry skin, so even somebody with oily skin can definitely use it. I know Tere from Tere's Corner. If you guys haven't watched her, go check her out. I'll link her down in the description box. But she also did a review on this and she loved it. So, and she has oily skin, so go check that out if you have oily skin. Definitely a good CC cream. Like I said, I haven't tried it in the summer yet, so I don't know how it works with oils in the summer, or like, you know, your natural facial oils in the summer, but I do really like it for the winter time. Next up we have this from Tarte. This is the Shape Tape Glow Wand. I remember when I first got this, I was like, oh my gosh, what the hell am I gonna do with this? This is so like unnecessary. And now I'm almost done with my second one because I had to repurchase this. As soon as I finished with this one, I had to go and repurchase another one because it definitely gives me a nice glow. I actually am wearing it underneath my foundation right now. The only thing that I didn't like about this certain packaging is this little sponge that it has here at the bottom. It's kind of like, I don't even need it, to be honest. They do have, let me show you the one. This is the one that I recently purchased. Well, maybe like a month now, but it's almost gone. I use it pretty much every single day, but this is the one that they sent. I got this from Boxycharm, I want to say. And like I said, I freaking love this stuff so much. If you want a really nice glow and that you can see through your foundation, this is definitely a good item to have. I think a lot of people confused it with like a concealer, but I put it on the highest point of my face, so I put it here, I put it on my nose, and then I put it on my chin a little bit. Wherever you would highlight normally is where I place it at. And as you guys can see, I do have like a different highlighter on my face right now, and it's kind of looking kind of oily, but it's not this. It's because I was cooking and, you know, I got really hot. It is so hot here. It is actually 99 degrees outside right now, and this room with this light on, yeah, it's like killing me, burning my freaking face off right now. Like my makeup is melting off on my face. But anyways, that is why it looks like this. Normally it looks more like a glow within. It doesn't look super crazy like I look right now. But that is the next item. I know I'm talking way too much about these products, but this one is definitely a good one. Pick it up. Like I said, it gives you such a nice pretty glow, especially for the summertime. One of my favorites. Like I said, I already went and bought another one, and I'm sure I'm gonna go buy another one after I finish this one because that's how much I love it. But there's that. Alright, next up we have the Fourth Ray Beauty Avocado and Aloe Double Shot Serum. This stuff is amazing, guys. I cannot tell you enough good things about it. A couple of years ago, after I did the Halloween series, the Monster Mash series, my face was like done. I did a lot of my face that year, putting latex on it and putting paint on it and all kinds of stuff on it to make the looks work out. But anyways, this and another product definitely saved my skin. Of course, you have to be consistent with it. I have used it. Obviously, it is finished. I cannot stress this enough. If you have issues with your skin breaking out and being super dry, and no, like, because I've had like dry patches. I had like dry patches around here and here. I also had some around my eyes here and here, and this really helped with that. Avocado and aloe is just so good for your skin. Such good ingredients. I really love this. If you have, like I said, dry skin like I do, I love this so much. I used it in the winter time. I would use it almost every day. I would probably use it like 5 times out of the week. In the summertime, of course, I would only use it like 2-3 times a week, just because my T-zone gets naturally oily in the summer or in the warmer seasons. Like I said, this definitely saved my skin. I do want to repurchase it, but right now I have some oils and some serums and stuff that I'm trying to go through before I repurchase this. But it is, I believe it was on sale last time I went on there for like $9 or something. I think it's usually like $18. It might be $7. I don't know, but really good. I definitely recommend it. Helps with bringing that natural glow back. Also, you know, like with those breakouts, it just feels really nice in the skin. My skin just would drink it right up. It was so good. So definitely recommend this one. I feel like we've had a lot of good ones come out so far. I haven't had any like actual regrets like Tere said. Next up we have Marc Jacobs mascara at Lashed. I really like this mascara. I am so sad that Marc Jacobs is not making these anymore because it was so good. I know the price is up there for mascara, but this mascara I think was worth it for me because my lashes have no volume. They like hardly go up. So, and some of them are even like stubby, even though they have grown out a little bit more from using lashes. I haven't used lashes for like almost a year now. Like I only use them once in a while, but I don't like, even on my videos I haven't used them for a while. But anyways, I tried to go see if they had this, and of course I don't know if Marc Jacobs is rebranding or not doing makeup at all anymore or something, but this mascara was so good. I would definitely pay the price for it because that's how good it was, and my lashes just look so nice. So I would say I would recommend it to you, but they don't have it anymore, so obviously can't buy it because I couldn't even get my hands on another one. But I got this from Boxycharm, I believe, and I did really love it. So too bad that they don't have them anymore. Maybe they'll come out with a different component that it's in, but the same formula. That would be awesome. Next up we have the vegan milk moisturizer. I love this stuff. I've gone through a lot of these already here and I've talked to you guys about it before, so it's not the first time that I've mentioned this one on my channel. Milk, I love this moisturizer so much, especially around the winter time, just because it's a thicker consistency and it is definitely a cream. It is not like gel based or water based. It's definitely a cream. It's gonna be thicker than your normal like gel and water moisturizers, obviously. But yes, I love this stuff so much. If you have dry skin, I would definitely recommend this to you. Even if you don't have dry skin, it's not like super thick that it gets really oily and gross. At least for me, it sinks into my skin, but like I said, I have dry skin. I really love it. I would definitely repurchase. Obviously I have, because this is like, I don't know, 4th, 5th time that I've talked about this moisturizer on my channel before, and that's all I'll say. Next up we have the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil, and it looks like this. Obviously it's gone, but I really love this stuff, especially after taking the showers. Usually when I use it, when my hair is still a little bit damp, and then I go from there. And if I need to like well, when it was longer, not as much anymore. I haven't really been using too many oils because right now my scalp is kind of going through some weird change. I don't know, it's getting really oily really quickly. I don't know if it's because I changed my hairstyle. Obviously now it's shorter, but does I feel like I don't need the extra oil in my hair. It feels like it's moisturized enough with my natural hair oils, or scalp oils I should say. So that's why I haven't repurchased it. But I think that like once we get into the colder months, that I would probably repurchase this so that I can use it on my hair. But when it was long, I would use it in the summertime as well, just because the ends and stuff wouldn't get as much moisture as your roots. But anyways, I did like this oil. I felt like it did its job and it did moisturize my hair, so I would definitely repurchase this one. Like I said, I probably will once the colder months start coming along, but yes, I would recommend it to you if you have really dry hair. It does help out for sure, and along with like other, you know, products, but I feel like this is a good thing for you to have in your collection, or an oil similar to this, something that's gonna help. Next up we have the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is the eye cream. I did not finish this. I do not like this. I've talked about the moisturizer, the face cream before. This is the eye cream. I have not found an Estee Lauder skincare item that I've liked. The moisturizer I did not like because it felt like sticky and stuff. I don't know, I just didn't like it. This one, it felt really drying underneath my eyes. I don't know if it's because there's fragrance to it. There's like a light fragrance to it. I haven't really researched the ingredients that are into this product, but it felt like it was really drying for me, so definitely not an item that I would use for myself. It is on the lighter side. It feels more like a primer that you would use to blur out and stuff like that. That's what it feels like. So it's like thick, but I don't know, I felt like it really dried out my under eye. I did not like it, and therefore I'm tossing it out. I did use a little bit of it, so you guys can see I got almost to halfway of it, and then I was like, nope, this is just drying out my eyes, and I feel like it wasn't doing anything. So like I said, I haven't found an item from Estee Lauder that I like, so this one's definitely a no for me. I would not recommend it to you either. So let's move on from that. Oh, this is another eye cream thing. This is the little one, sample size, and this one I also obviously threw out because I'm not going to use it. It's the same thing. Let's talk about another mascara. This is the Fenty Beauty mascara. I actually really like this a lot. I would definitely purchase it again. I just keep getting mascaras from Boxycharm, so I feel like I don't need to repurchase mascaras, even though I haven't found a mascara lately that I like as much as this one and the Marc Jacobs one. I would repurchase one of the other ones. Like I said, I have a lot of mascaras in my collection right now, and I'm just gonna try to go through those and then repurchase the ones that I actually like, and give the other ones a chance just to see if they work out okay. But anyways, that is the Fenty mascara. I did like it. I would definitely repurchase it in the future. We'll talk about one more item here, and then I'll leave the rest for part 2 because I have a lot more stuff in there to talk about. But the last thing I'll talk about is this NARS bronzer. This is in the shade Laguna, and obviously you guys can see it's completely gone. It was a sample size. I got it for my birthday last year from the little thing that comes in your birthday gift or whatever. But yes, I really did like this. I actually do like NARS products. I have used a few here and there. I still haven't used a foundation. I don't know why, but I really do want to try one of their foundations. I did like this, and I like the shade of it. Obviously, I finished the whole thing, so it's definitely worth it. And I also love their packaging. It's so pretty and sleek. I love touching it because it's like that soft matte touch. I would definitely recommend their bronzers. I did like them. I felt like they lasted really nicely on the face, and they looked really nice. So there's that. So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed my little empties video, and stay tuned for part 2 when I go through the other stuff that's in this bag that I'm actually going to be filming right now, but it'll go out next week probably. But anyways, let me know if you have tried any of these items. Do you like them? Is there stuff that you don't like? Is there stuff that you're wanting to try? But anyways, I hope that you guys have a good day, and I will see you guys in my next one. Toodles!